And like I showed you guys everything. I showed you guys my upsell. We scaled this one store, one product to $34,000. Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be a bonus episode, episode 23. I'm actually going to take you guys through the whole process on how to go ahead and sell your store. So who's this relevant to? This is relevant to people who want to go ahead and sell their store because they want to then transition into building their own brand. You saved up all this money through your dropshipping business. Now you want to sort of take ecom to that next step, next level, and go ahead and use all your savings to build your own brand and your own product, such as musicchest.com or bomberandcompany.com. And you want to sort of just build something that's more long-term and more sustainable, and you want to go ahead and sell your dropshipping store after you found success on it. Or if you're sort of just building a bunch of one product stores, and every time you sort of scale out a one product store to the max, you want to go ahead and sell that one product store and then move on to the next one product store. This video is going to be relevant to you. So you're definitely going to watch this because I'll take you guys through everything. So as you can see, you want to go to the exchangemarketplace.com. And then you want to start by typing in your URL. So in this case, it was simplestgamer.myshopify.com. That was sort of my official My Shopify username that I started with. And then after that, you want to install it, install the app, connect it to your Shopify store, and then you want to go ahead and click Start Now. And then after that, it should take your page to where you can go ahead and list a product. But I'm going to put in a clip now of me actually taking you guys through the whole process. I explain my thought process on how I make the listing, how I actually use market research to find the right price, as well as how to go ahead and write the best store sale description possible, modeling my listing after people who've been able to successfully sell their Shopify store. And I actually show you guys through the whole process. I actually give you guys my template. So I take you guys through everything where you guys could literally copy and paste what I wrote in order to sell your own store. So hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial. Alright, so as you can see, we're still getting sales, once every week organically using zero ad spend because I shut off all my ads. And we recently got approved for Shopify Exchange Marketplace. So we're going to go ahead and list up our store and try to go ahead and get a good price for it. So let's complete your listing. Tell us about yourself, optional. So I want to go ahead and go to Exchange Marketplace and look at other people's listing and sort of get inspiration on how they sort of write their store. Oh, let's go to sold. That's way better. So sold listings are roughly very cheap, as you can see. But none of these have done 30 grand a month. So that's completely different. Let's see the one that got sold for the most, and we'll go ahead and see what made them stand out. So one that sold for 26 grand. Okay, let's do this. I'll open up this. Oops. I open up in a new tab. Yep, open a new tab. Anything over 10,000, I'm opening in a new tab to get inspiration. Oops. Open a new tab. Open a new tab. Okay, so this isn't dropshipping. This has done 100,000. Great demand, 320,000. 90k. The trend state, this is a drop shipping, yeah. This is a very good description. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Let's see how much they priced this at. Trend state. They sold it for 7.2k. Interesting. That's how you remodel the best. You go to sold listings, look for the best stores and remodel their sort of best answers. the store over the next 5 years. Let's see how big my email list is. Go ahead and try to export it to see how many people I have in my email list. Very excited to see, because I get a combination of emails from people who abandoned checkout and emails from people who bought something. Whoa! We got 2,431 emails. So let's round it up to 2.5k. We'll probably even copy all this and save it into a template afterwards. I feel bad for copy and pasting it, but me recreating and making, if I didn't do this, everything here you're seeing now would be way less quality, not as good, spent way more time. So I'm just saving time by doing something that is available. Like, this person already sold their store. I'm not sort of like, they're not going to reuse it. They already put in the time and effort. It's just going to go to waste. Like, it's just going to get hidden into Shopify Exchange's sort of marketplace. So you really want to not let it go to waste and not reinvent the wheel. Might be watches, so it might be in fashion and apparel, I think, yeah. Yeah, that was the whole tutorial. I'm going to show you guys the final sort of product on what it finally looks like. As you can see, here is everything. You can literally slow this down, pause at the different stages, and literally copy what I write word for word and just switch out your store. As you can see, we're listing it for roughly 9,000 USD. So we're going to try to see if we get roughly around 8,500 USD after sort of the taxes. See, we list it for 9,750. But yeah, that's the whole process. I just have to fill in these missing things such as domain cost and total number of social followers. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this series. Like, I literally took you guys to the very end. This is like a whole course, as you can see, very in depth. 23 freaking parts in this series. All I hope is you guys share this series on your channel, share it to your friends, and that's what I asked for. You know, I gave it away for free, and that's what I asked. I don't want you guys to give me anything. Just share this and sort of help me grow this channel and community that we're building on YouTube together. But yeah, thank you so much for following this whole series. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, and get ready for much more valuable content on my channel very soon. I've got a lot of things in the vault, and you're going to want to keep up to my channel every single day because the content's only going to get better. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video. Question of the day: What YouTube content are you looking for? Drop in the comments below. I want to serve you guys because you guys are the one that is supporting the channel. So put in your comments, drop everything below, and give me your thoughts. Other than that, I hope you guys are having an amazing week. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.